In this video, we're going to show you how to create a purl stitch. The purl stitches are what look like little bubbles or little ridges along your knitting. So to purl, it's the reverse of a knit. You're going to stick your right needle in through the front of the stitch on your left needle. So in through the right and up diagonally through the left of that stitch. You'll then take your yarn tail and wrap it around that front needle. Hold it nice and securely, and then slip your right needle down, and as you do, you'll catch that stitch that you've created and slip it from your left to your right needle. Let's do that one more time. So your right needle will go in through the front of the stitch. Your yarn tail, which should be sitting at the front of your work for a purl, will wrap around your front needle. You'll hold it nice and securely, and then your right needle will slip down underneath your left, and you'll catch that stitch as it comes through. Then you slip it from your left onto your right. So right needle goes in through the front of the stitch. Yarn tail wraps around the front of your needle. Slide that needle down and underneath the left, and as you do, you pick up that stitch. And now you know how to create a purl stitch.